Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we're doing My Math, Chapter 2, Lesson 7. We are going to problem solve today. So, we've been learning about numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We just learned about 10. We just learned how to write 9 and 10. So, right now we're going to put all of our knowledge into practice. So, I'm going to do some of these activities with you, but then you're going to end up having to do the homework on your own. So, I hope you're paying attention. And if you need to go and get your pages right now and get your pencil. And on the front of your paper, you should see a fruit stand. You should see fruits that are on there because that's the first thing we're going to do. But before we do that, let's ask ourselves, what do numbers tell me? That's the whole point about learning numbers. We need to know what they can do for us. And I've already told you that before in the past, but we're going to show you again today. So our first problem of the day, we've got to get through this. It says count the fish in each tank. Now you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to pull my pencil out so I can make sure I count each specific fish and I don't count it twice so I get the right number. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, as you learned yesterday, is make a stick and then a ball. I am number 10. All right. And then we're going to count the next tank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9 is make a circle, then a line. I am number 9. So we wrote the number, and then it says draw an X on the tank with 10 fish. And as you can see, we know which one has 10, so I'm going to draw an X on it. Good. All right. I hope you guys are using that strategy. That's strategies that we taught you before. So let's go ahead and try it. This is the first activity in your math book. So I hope you're ready with me right now. Now, I know the numbers are already there. They're doing it as practice. Soon they won't be. So let's just practice using our strategies, okay? So we need to look at each of these objects and then count how many are in each bin. So pretend we're at the market or we're at Giant Eagle or something or Aldi, and you have these and you need a certain amount for the people who are in your house. So we need 7 oranges. Let's take a look and make sure they have enough. Oh, I need to pull my pencil out. And in the book, they're asking us to use cubes, but on my page, it's too big to use the cubes, but I can show you how to use them afterwards. So for the oranges, we're going to take a look. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course, 7 is slide to the right and slide back down. I am number 7. Now, if you want to use the cubes, I'm going to show you how. So we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can use the cubes and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can line them up to count each one. And if you have a bunch of cubes, which I don't know if you'll have a lot of cubes at home, but if you were at school, what you could do is you could leave those out and then compare them to another. And I'll show you that in a second. So we're going to count the grapes this time because grapes is number 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make a stick and then a ball. I am number 10. And so again, you can get cubes if you have them and you can line them up. So we had 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness, 10. And then you can use these to compare groups. So for the group that has 7, it looks a lot smaller than the one that has 10 because 7 is less than 10. Or you could say that 10 is greater than 7. It's bigger, it has more. So that's what you can do to compare. So, because we can't pull the grapes and oranges off the page, but we can use objects to represent those. So the red blocks are the oranges and the blue blocks are grapes. So, or maybe they're plums. I don't know. They look like the size of plums, so maybe they are plums. But either way, you get what I'm saying. Okay, so we're gonna count the pairs. So I'm gonna get my pencil back out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, make an S and climb back up. I am number 8. 8. And we could do the same thing with the blocks again, but we're not going to because I think you get the point. But if we had to compare with the watermelons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, neck and tummy, put on a hat. I am number 5. I think you guys could figure out which one has more and which one has less, which one's greater than, which one is less than. You guys are getting it. So let's move on to the next page. Oh man, we went to the circus? Woo wee. Okay, there's a lot going on in here, but we can do it. And I told you they weren't going to always put the numbers in there, so we're really going to have to use our skills. So let's start with number 1. There's the clowns. First thing we're going to do, take out a pencil and mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and don't forget this one down there, 8. Make an S and climb back up. I am number 8. All right, got one down. These look like bears, so let's count the bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make a circle, then a line. I am number 9. Now let's do the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Curl her down and around again. I am number 6. That didn't sound right. Curve on down and around again, around back up. I can't remember. You guys got to tell me. How do we say that? How do we go to number 6? Curve around and around back up. That doesn't sound right either. I forgot. But you could tell me. And then the monkeys we got to get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slide to the right and slide back down. I am number 7. Okay, so now we can use these numbers to compare our groups for sure. So if I got the blocks back out, we can go, I want to do the balls versus the bears. So I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls. And then the bears, I'm going to do blue for that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if I wanted to be a lot neater about it, I would stack them kind of like we're supposed to and like measure them out. So like if you see I'm putting them next to the one so I can tell exactly how many are off of that. So there's 6 right here. 6, I have them all lined up. And then there's 3 extra over here. So I could tell that 9 is greater than 6. So again, and you could do this with any of the groups. You could have compared the clowns to the monkeys, which, hey, if you being a clown and you being a monkey, you being weird. So you could have done those groups and compared them that way. You can do that with any of these groups. You can always take 2 numbers and compare them. You can compare many numbers together. But let's move on. So I think you guys can handle this one. We're looking at napkins, the coffee, the little biscuits, and the spoons. They're having a little tea party here. So this is what you're going to do. And you also have homework to do. Oh, look at there. Oh, pizza. Oh, man. I'm so tempted, but I can't eat pizza right now. So I want you to use those strategies. You know that we cross off when we count. You can write the number to show how many. And then if you want to, you don't have blocks, but maybe you have pennies lying around or marbles or something, you can use those like I use the blocks to compare the 2 numbers together. So I hope that was helpful. Work hard on your work and make sure you check out the other videos so that you see the other lessons. But until next time, I will see you later. Bye, everyone.